A few months ago, I sheared a bolt while I was taking off one of my bash plates, and I've been meaning to remove it to get my bash plate refitted ever since.
Getting that out is going to be a fun job for later on.
So I thought I'd show you the method that I use to remove sheared bolts without drilling, but this method does require the sheared bolt to be slightly protruding. Firstly, I'm going to grind a small channel into the sheared bolt. A bit of heat always helps to loosen stuck bolts. Now just a couple of taps from the good old impact screwdriver and we should be laughing. Okay, so we're not laughing just yet, but perhaps a couple of ugga-duggas will do the trick. So, as I was saying, the simplest way to remove it is with one of these easy out pieces. I bought this one from Bunnings for about $18 and it comes with the drill piece we need to get the job done. I've actually never used one of these before, to be honest, but I had a go at this particular bolt with a grinder. I grinded a channel in it and tried hitting it out with an impact screwdriver, which sometimes works, but in this case, no luck. So this is my plan B. To use these, all we need to do is drill through the center of the sheared bolt, pop the easy out into the hole, and according to the packet, we should just be able to screw it out. Well, that didn't exactly go to plan, so both my methods of removing that sheared bolt failed dismally, which is a bit of a disaster. But you know, these things happen. I figured I may as well upload this video anyway to give you guys something to laugh at, and just to show you that stuff doesn't always go to plan. So thanks so much for watching. I hope your weekend projects were a bit more successful than mine, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bianca, I need you to come and fix my car.